In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana. Duplicating a project is a great way to reuse a proven setup without rebuilding tasks, sections, and settings from scratch. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, plus a few tips so your copy lands in the right place and stays organized. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home screen. This gives you quick access to the teams and workspaces you're part of. If you use multiple teams, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. From the left-hand sidebar, click Projects to open the list of projects you have access to. If you don't immediately see the one you want, try switching teams or using the search bar at the top. Next, click the project you want to copy to open it. At the top of the project, look for the small drop-down next to the project's name. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a caret or an options menu with 3 dots. Open that menu and choose Duplicate. This tells Asana you want to create a copy of the current project structure. You'll typically see options to include things like task descriptions, assignees, due dates, and custom fields. Choose what makes sense for your scenario. For example, leave dates off if you're starting a fresh cycle. To keep your workspace tidy, you can place the duplicated project into a portfolio right away. In the prompt, type a portfolio name. Use a clear naming convention so teammates instantly recognize what the portfolio contains, such as the program or client it belongs to. Then review the portfolio details. This is where you can refine the description, pick an owner, and confirm access settings so the right people can see and manage it. Take a moment to note the portfolio tabs as well. These tabs help you navigate portfolio level views such as overviews and progress. Knowing where these live now will make it easier to track your duplicated project alongside related work later. When everything looks good, click Create New Portfolio. Asana will create the portfolio and associate your duplicated project with it. Give the system a moment to process. Larger projects can take a bit longer to appear in the sidebar. Once the copy is ready, open it and scan for any placeholders, dates, or assignees that need updating. Adjust dependencies, sections, and custom fields as needed, then share the new project with your team so everyone knows where to work. That's it, your project is duplicated and neatly organized in a portfolio ready to go.